Hello everyone, this is Crazy Cow MM here, and welcome back to another video. And I may start talking really fast because I recorded this already, and I'm using a broadcasting program just because I can't actually record some stuff with the normal computer. Oh shoot, you can actually see those FPS, can't you? Hold on, let me fix that for you, shall we? Yes. There we go, FPS gone. Okay, so yeah, I recorded it, but accidentally duplicate sourced my mic, so you could hear double of everything, which is kind of stupid. So I'm redoing it. Yeah, hope you like the nice background. I got some posters. I'm not putting the room back up because I'm too lazy. Yeah, just like, well, whatever. Nice Minecraft poster stuff. Okay, so today we're going to be going over Minecraft's new system thing that they added, which is functions. So, yay! Also using my new camera, which is 180p. Cool stuff. Okay, so functions. Basically, functions are a chain of command blocks that you can think of. They're a chain of commands that you write in a text document. Just to show you, for a chain of commands, normally you would have to do this. Just do command blocks. This one says hi, this one says yo, this one's conditional, so it doesn't matter. You can actually do unconditional here, but it'll just spam. There we go. So it does that. However, functions are text files that do run lots of things. So, for example, this function that I have set up here, and I actually created in the last tutorial, but kind of failed. But anyway, this function I have set up here runs ho, yo, and you stepped on the sponge. That was an example. You'll see. And if I step on the sponge, you'll say ho, yo, blah, and you stepped on the sponge. I'll show you why it says you stepped on the sponge. So, in order to get to functions, what you're going to want to do. Ignore this. This is actually really not important. What you're going to want to do is you just scroll through all this cheese. Okay. So amazing new functions. This is the world that I'm on. Amazing new functions. So you're just going to open your world file. You're going to go to data, functions. Okay. Let's restart. Actually, hold on. So maybe you don't know how to get to the Minecraft folder. Right. This is the same problem I had last time. Hello. Thank you. So if you want to get to the Minecraft folder, we're going to go to %app data %. I'm sure you already know how to do that, hopefully, but you never know. Go to .minecraft, second thing usually, or maybe first thing. Depends if you have AT launcher. Yeah, go into .minecraft, go into saves, you go to amazing new function, or actually you're going to go to your world file. You're going to go to data, you're going to go into functions, and in here you are going to create a new folder. I'm going to create one now for you. New folder, we're going to create functions 2, and caps do not matter at all in this. That's cool. And in functions 2, you're going to create a new text document. We're going to call this func1. We're going to open func1, not with Notepad. We're going to open func1 with Notepad++. And close all these. In func1, in function command, in function documents, you can use hashtag to do comments. This is a comment. Yay. And you can do commands like this. This is a say. That's wrong. Sorry. You can do commands like this. Do not use slashes ever. They do not work. If you want to do a new command, just go down a line. Now, the one disadvantage of functions is that they work like unconditional command blocks. Unconditional chain command blocks, you cannot change them. So, if I was to do execute at A, detect, that is not how you spell detect. Say whoop. And if I was to do that, I would. Normally, when I was working, if I would be working with if I was working with chain command blocks, I would expect the next command to not run. So say, shouldn't run. However, since these are unconditional, the command will actually run, and I will show you that. But first, we have to save it. Okay, that's very important since this is a text file, and you're probably not used to working in text files in Minecraft. Just remember to constantly save. The first time we're going to save it, we need to save as, because we need to save it as an MC function file. In order to do this, we're just going to go down to this file name box here, and we're going to type .mc function. That's function. Make sure you spell it right, because if you don't, Minecraft won't like it. We're going to save. And it is saved. For next time, if you want to save it, just do Control S. Easy stuff. Okay, so we now have func1.mc function. You can delete func1. In fact, that's what I'm going to do. The original text document, you can delete that. And you'll be able to directly edit func1 by right-clicking and pressing edit with Notepad++. Currently, it does not actually work. Like, you could do it like this, but, like, you have to do this. And then, you know, it works. But, Notepad++ is much better. So, now that we've done that, you're going to need to reload, because Minecraft does not automatically read the function files and stuff like that. So just type /reload just like you would in your Spigot server or whatever. And I'm just going to just reload loot tables, advancements, and functions, so if you ever do that. Now, if we're going to run this function, we're going to start with our basic function command, this /function. Then we're going to type the folder name. In this case, it is functions2. Caps does not matter, like I said. We're going to type a colon, and we're going to type func1. Theoretically, this should run it. Yes. So this is a say, down the line, cool stuff. And as you can see, shouldn't run ran, because it is just below the just because they're actually like unconditional chain command logs. If you step on the sponge, it'll say whoop as well. So that's cool, right? Now, if we wanted to have multiple folders of things, like if we created a new folder called like derptions, we put func1 in there. What we're going to want to do is we're going to actually want to write derptions here, and then we're not going to type colon again. We're going to type /func1. This first thing is like a main folder. This one is the folder that's in, and then this is the actual file. So it's kind of like a file path thing, I guess. That didn't work, but it's fine. Oh wait, because I didn't reload. So first, yeah, you always have to reload anytime you change anything. There we go. It runs it. Now, if you change a command within the function, you're going to have to reload as well, because it will run the old command. So if I instead change this to say twirr and save that. Yes, I realize it opened with Notepad thing, but it'll still say this is a say. If we reload it, it'll say twirr. Now we're going to go over if selectors. So basically, it's an if selector. If the thing that we put at the end of the command is true, then it'll run the thing. So basically, you're going to type your thing functions2 colon derptions /func1, and you're going to type if, and then you're going to type your selector. This is like what you would put before like a summon command or whatever. So like, you know, you see like, hello, you know, /summon at a, you know, whatever, that stuff. So we're actually going to do summon, we're going to do at a score underscore if test underscore min equals 1. This is a scoreboard I've already set up because I did the tutorial. Bam, and as you can see, it should not run. And it says skipped execution of function because of that thing. So if we go scoreboard, players, add crazy count if test 1, and we click on this, it should run the function. Now, unless functions are the exact opposite of if functions, so if I just change this up a little bit to account for our new thing, and click it, it will not run because this selector is true. If we set it to 0 and click it, it will not run because it's still true. If we set it to 2, it will run because this command will run unless the selector is true. These are very self-explanatory if you think about it. Now, cool thing about functions, there's no command limit for text files. So, yay, and you can make as many files as you want. So that's cool. Also, one more thing, this is something I forgot in the last tutorial and remembered at the last second. What you're going to want to do is another thing that you can do to loop functions like repeating command blocks is game rule game loop function. And then type your function. So functions 2 colon derptions slash func1. It is now looping it, as you can see. Kind of spamming me. Now if you noticed, it actually is telling you the direct file path. It's telling you the direct file path of the thing because it's running itself. So if you know, because it's like it's running itself, and that's just how the say command works. If we were to set it to anything else, it wouldn't actually say that. You could just do game rule, and sometimes it does command block output, so we just do command block output false, and it wouldn't matter. If we step on a sponge, it'll say whoop as well. And yeah, that's basically functions. I've made an entire map in functions. I'm just going to quickly pop over there and kind of show you it. So it's called There Can Only Be One. You can go check it out on Planet Minecraft if you really want. I've already played it because, you know, I was doing the other tutorial. Basically, there is only one command block. It is right here, and it is running this function called main func. This function essentially dictates everything in this map. So it's basically saying, well, that function starts everything. So if I run main func right now, actually functions, I think it's called, or functions colon main func, says welcome to There Can Only Be One, and then it runs another function right there. This is there is only one more command block in this entire map. The rest of the map is using Minecraft's new function system. This means that the map uses lots of commands. This is just the only command block in it. The actual map is, of course, a puzzle map. You're going to be working your way through a total of 8 rooms. Each has a small puzzle in it. Your goal is to get to the sponge. Have fun. So, it teleports you, and we're in room 1 now. Room 1 is a combined function with the lobby, so they're sharing one. This text, teleport out, and stuff like that is all a combined function. And this room teleporting you to the next room is all in the same function. So we get over there, stand the sponge, teleports to room 2. Room 2 is its own function. Stand this thing, we're in the room 3 function. Step on this, we're on the room 4 function. This one actually puts one on your head. Step on this, we're on the room 5 function. There's a little button here which makes this happen. And then step on this, we're in the room 6 function. Step on that, we're in the room 7 function. Step on that, we're in the room 8 function. And the room 8 function has a little special thing with these. If you step on green, it'll teleport you. And if you notice, green concrete. And if you notice, as soon as the room 8 function is done, stepping on lime concrete still works because it's still in the room 8 function. But I forgot that I combined these two. But if we run main func again, and see we're in the room 2 function right now, just because that's the way it works. Green concrete does not do anything. So yeah, that's basically functions. FYI, that's functions for you. So really handy for making one command things, and I have spent way too long in this tutorial, so peace out.